Hi guys, this is Levin Hoffman, also known for my Instagram account for trading patterns. I just want to introduce myself and just tell me a little bit about my background. I just graduated fresh out of college. I really started stock trading, as well paper trading, beginning of my senior year in college. I was so obsessed with it and I've done it since then almost every day for hours. Right now I am still a beginning trader. I recently just paper trade a lot. I've done a couple trades with real money, but didn't have the real success yet. I really basically didn't lose a lot of money. I think I should be up maybe 50 to $100 yet on a $1,500 account. So I just really had to look for my edge yet, and I'm still trying to find it and really start to understand the market and want to be very picky about what I'm gonna trade, since I just can't afford losing that much money. So that's why paper trading really suits my needs. So today I'm just gonna go over some of my trades that I have done. Well, paper trading, I'm also just trying to be more realistic, only trade with small amount of shares, the same size I would have used with my real account. So basically today I was trading mainly CLNT and HMNY. That's what I'm going to go over now. And IMUC, I sold half my shares, which was a swing trade, but I'll get over later on that. Well, first of all, CLNT kind of popped on the radar here in the early morning with this great press release right here, where it says Cleantech Solutions announces an agreement. Agreement is a very strong word, and on this basically strong press release, also note that CLNT only has a 700 million in float, so it doesn't really take much traders to really make that stock rip. And in combination with this great press release, it's just like a very go-to pattern. Where so I didn't even trade pre-market. I've watched it, but basically I really got interested, and after I've seen this huge green candle and this nice bull flag pattern. I actually got in a little late because I just kind of missed it. I got in here at 7:19. What was it? 7:19, and out at 7:42. So I basically just got in right here, 7:42, kind of sold in that closing candle here. So could have done a little better on that side. It basically ramped up to 823, but like at some points I was not taking profits early and then losing, and this time I was taking profits quickly, and it could have gone better, but I'm happy with it. And after I saw that, basically I saw HMNY had this nice run up right here up to the 16th, 17th area where it got stuffed a few times, and $17 was a really nice buy target, where you see that nice ascending triangle forming, and I got in right here. Basically was I would say maybe just a quick scalp. I don't know if you can say that, but I did not take profit in this kind of area where it kind of ramped up to 1750. And the probably biggest sign to really get out is once you see this red candle forming here. It's basically a bearish engulfing pattern. That's what it's called. It's very bearish, and the top of this candle usually acts then as further resistance. But the point really where I should have really gone out and taken my profits was once that candle reached over the midpoint of that green candle here, because then even you get further confirmation on a weak close. And right here it was just madness and of just profit taking, people taking profit of that previous run here. So I kind of messed that up, and I exited HMNY actually at 10:08, right around here, where I saw those weak candles here, volume fading off, and it just felt like it was kind of like bouncing a little bit more. In the long run, it's kind of unfortunate since it basically ran up really to 23.45. But there was another very interesting thing where I actually got caught up pretty bad. I mean, it was still paper money, so not that bad, but it was a nice learning experience. Let's zoom in on 11 o'clock. So you see how those two stocks were basically the main play, like momentum was there, and right here you can see that so CLNT tried to like rebound kind of here. It got formed higher lows, and there was buying volume coming right here. And let's see, I got in on CLNT very high at 763 and 1055. So right here is 1055. So it kind of pushed up, but right here at 11 o'clock, see how there's this doji star, and this is further resistance from this bearish engulfing pattern. But also, once it starts to fade, say 11:01, 11:02, 11:03, and there was a sell-off of that previous spike there, you can see that HMNY at 11:04, 11:06, say 11:07 really got that kind of uptrend where selling pressure fades away at 11:07. Well, like it was kind of like they found the bottom at 11:07, and right around here HMNY started grinding up. So basically this was a typical mob shift, as Deck My Trades would refer to. The mob is just like the majority of people who are in those plays. Once they sell, they try to look for a new play. And where do they go to? To the previous gainer HMNY, which has ripped so hard the last 3 weeks. And right here was a nice mob shift where everyone just got away from CLNT and paid closer attention to HMNY and got in. And I basically got tricked out there. You know, I was on the wrong side at CLNT here, where the mob clearly was going out, fading away, or like moving to another play, and I acted too late. So I guess I need to learn or focus on that and try to make it better the next time. So one last thing I want to go over is IMUC. I've been basically swinging that for a couple of I think like a week or so, yeah. So let me pull that down. There we go. So IMUC had this drop off here, and you see it formed like multi-day resistance here at this 40-cent area here, and had a perk up, and I got in at 37.5, somewhere in this area, waiting for a press release. Honestly, like what I'm just hoping is that there will be a press release coming out this week, so more attention will get to IMUC, and it has huge potential to run. So but today was a nice sign where it actually had a quick morning spike on that strong candle here, and I kind of, once I saw that candle, I'm like taking half position off. See, I was owning 4,000 shares of IMUC paper trading, and sold 2,000 shares right here, where I took, I think, like $160 on a small account investment, and I'm holding the rest for the coming week until the next press release comes out and we can see some action. So I hope you enjoyed my recap of the day. I'm happy if you'll just leave a comment, and maybe you can tell me maybe where I have to be clearer or pay some attention to, because I'm always open to new things too. We're all learning, and I think if we are acting as a trading community, we can help each other out a lot. So thanks a lot for your attention, and I'll be coming out with some more videos soon.